Hi guys, hope you are doing very well. In this video, what we are going to see, we are going to write a simple component into the React application. So for that, what we are going to see is, we are going to write a calisthenics app, just it is an example, and we are going to create two components. One is the header, another one is the landing. And the third one, which we are going to beautify it with the help of the Bootstrap library. Let me walk you through some of the basics of our project structure, project folder, which have already added it for our only for the time saving. So one is this assets, which I've added two images in it. Another one is the component. The component is the blank right now. So the idea behind this video is how you are going to create a simple component and add into your React application, because React application is the component only. Okay, let's start. And the another thing which I told you, we are going to use the Bootstrap library. So before you need to start, you need to include that into your project as well. So I've already opened a link for the Bootstrap v5. So I'm just grabbing the link of that Bootstrap v5 version, copy it from here and include it into your index.html. So if you paste it and save it, you need to paste it into your head tag. So once you include this one, so you can access all of the Bootstrap version 5 components and CSS file. Now let's go and start creating the component. Okay, if you have the plugin, so you can directly type RACF, which will provide you the basic structure for your components. So I'll go walk you through what is this component looks like. So it will have your name of the component with the const, and it has your return statement as well, which will return your HTML file, not HTML file, but the HTML code, and you need to export it. So there is a two ways you can export this one. I'm exporting like this. One was you can type export over here as well, which was the default one, but I don't want this export, so that's why I removed it. Okay, now start writing your header component. So let me go through. I'll just quickly grab the code because I'm not going to stretch this video by writing each line of a code. So directly you can jump in over here into the navbar and grab the code from here. So navbar is equivalent to your header component. So the header component will be look like this, which we are going to see. So either you can grab the entire code and tweak into a little bit of it. So okay, all right, let me just grab the entire code right now. I can copy it from here and go to your component, replace this div with a fragment, with the React fragment. So fragment is uh, React way of saying that it is the div only. So just paste all of your code over here and save it. So there are some of the issues we'll see. So okay, let's do not paste the entire code. That's not a good. Later on we will change it. No worries. I'll just copy a few of the lines. I'll take some of the tags, HTML tags like nav, div, and this one, and let me just close those tags as well. Div. All right. So now we have this header component. The idea behind this video is not how you are going to create, how you are going to write your all HTMLs. The idea behind is how you are going to create a one simple component and include into your application. So because later on, once you extend your application, so you will have an idea that how you are going to do this. Okay, so now you have this header component which is created, which contains your nav, basic div, and this color nice. I'll also add one image over here, img src, and for this src I'm not going to the direct, I'm going to import it in the form of variable constant, which is the header image, and alt text you can give it nothing, and yeah, define the width as well, otherwise it will be floating all over to your page height. Great, 50. And just close this one. For this header image, you need to include it. So as I have already shown you that I have added two images into our project from data slash asset slash images slash running.png and save it. Okay, now it's time to include your header component into your application. So go to your app.js file where you'll see this div, default div. Either you can add it directly over here, header and slash. And another thing, do not forget to import this header. It is automatically importing because of my plugins. I'll show you the plugins as well, not now into this video, otherwise it will be a stretch. Okay, let's save it and go to your application now. Sorry. So just go to your application and refresh it. Oh, I think my server is down right now. Yeah, my server is down. Let me start my application. So you know how to start it, right? npm start. So the video I'm creating is for the general purpose. If any beginner is there and wants to know how to create a simple component, so you can refer this one. So that's why I'm creating this video. And also it's helpful for me because I forgot the things, so I can remember it again by watching my own video. Okay, now it's restarting my server, and just close this thing and till it get restarted. Okay, now it's started. So now you can see, so there is a header which contains your calisthenics text and the image as well. Now add some more links into it, some buttons. Okay, let me grab some of the code from here, like div ul li. I'll take one ul li and this one, and go to your code. Sorry, go to your header and enter it, paste it. Need to closing tag of ul, and there is one more ul li and what is the closing tag remains? I believe yeah, it requires one more div, I believe. Div. Great. Now change this one like exercises to these videos, and one more li so it will look good, like nutrition plan. Great. If you see again, if you go, so now we have created this one, the header, which contains your image. Some of the links are over here and some of the buttons. So right now there is no action on it, but you can add the action into it as well, so which we will see into the next video. And yeah, another component which we are going to add is your landing. So landing, again I'm going to create, like I'm typing rsfc, which will provide you the default landing page. Again the same thing I'm going to remove from here. I don't like this one. Default and name of that component landing. Save it. So for this landing you can actually use the image tag, which I do have already. Let me check my image.